Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchZip, and in this video I am going to talk to you about what is happening with the Roblox servers and why the Roblox servers are down. As such, this is usually quite frequent when we have some type of problem with what would be the connection. That is to say, it is purely a problem with our internet connection rather than a problem with the servers. But many times, if we want to know if it really is a server problem, what we are going to have to do is go to the page status.roblox.com, which would be this page here. This page here is going to help us a lot to know if the Roblox servers are completely operational. For example, the user servers, the player servers, the creator servers. Further down, we are going to be able to find what is the server downtime history, right? But in this case, all the servers within Roblox are completely operational, which would be this here. If any of these turns red, it means that they are not operating or they are down. So, for that, it is a fairly intuitive page that helps us know if it is a problem with our connection or if it is a problem with the Roblox servers as such. So, in this way, we are going to be able to solve this problem. If, in the case that you have some type of update, you can try it by using what is Roblox on PC or Roblox on mobile. Well, either way, already. And if that does not work, you can log in to what is Roblox for Windows. Simply go to your browser and type Roblox for Windows. And in this way, you are going to click on Download Roblox. You can do the same with what is the App Store, Google Play, PlayStation, Xbox, MetaQuest, Microsoft, Amazon App Store, and the Galaxy Store. And in this way, you are going to be able to test whether it is a server problem or if it is a problem purely with your device or your internet.